What if your home could feel greener without a handful of soil, only with clear water and a simple vase? Isn't it surprising that many plants can thrive like this, bringing freshness and charm indoors? Here are the best and beautiful indoor plants that happily grow in water. Heartleaf philodendron, Philodendron hedraceum, is a popular indoor plant loved for its attractive, heart-shaped leaves and easy care. It thrives in water, making it a perfect choice for soil-free growing in jars or vases. This plant adapts well to different light conditions, though bright, indirect light encourages faster growth. Its trailing vines create a lush, decorative effect, making it ideal for tabletops, shelves, or hanging displays. Regular water changes help keep roots healthy, and cuttings can be easily propagated. The heartleaf philodendron not only beautifies interiors but also improves air quality, adding both charm and freshness to your space. Money plant, Epipremnum aureum, is a charming indoor plant admired for its heart-shaped leaves and its ability to thrive in water. Known as a symbol of prosperity and good luck, it is often kept in homes and offices. This plant requires little care, growing well in indirect light and adapting easily to jars or bottles filled with clean water. Its long, trailing vines make it perfect for decorating shelves, balconies, or tabletops. Regularly changing the water keeps the roots healthy and encourages steady growth. The money plant adds not only greenery but also a touch of positivity to any space. Lucky bamboo, Dracena sanderiana, is a popular indoor plant often grown in water for its elegant, upright stalks and symbolic meaning. Associated with good fortune, harmony, and positive energy, it is widely gifted during special occasion. This plant is easy to care for, thriving in low to moderate light, and needs only clean water to stay healthy. Arranged in decorative glass containers, its green stems create a simple yet stylish look. The number of stalks is often believed to carry different meanings, like wealth, health, or happiness. Lucky bamboo brings both beauty and auspicious vibes to homes and workplaces. Wandering Jew, Tradescantia zebrina, is a striking indoor plant admired for its colorful, trailing foliage. Its leaves display a beautiful mix of purple, silver, and green stripes, making it an eye-catching choice for water-filled jars or vases. This plant is fast-growing and adapts quickly to water culture, producing lush cascading stems that brighten shelves, tables, or hanging spots. It thrives best in bright, indirect light, which helps maintain its vivid colors. Regular trimming encourages fuller growth, and stem cuttings can be easily propagated in water. Wandering Jew is perfect for adding a touch of vibrant charm to indoor spaces. Arrowhead plant, Syngonium podophyllum, is a versatile indoor plant known for its arrow-shaped leaves that come in shades of green, cream, and sometimes pink. It adapts well to growing in water, making it an attractive choice for jars or glass vases where its roots can be displayed. This plant is easy to care for and does well in moderate to bright, indirect light, although it can also tolerate lower light conditions. Its compact growth when young and trailing vines as it matures make it a flexible decorative option. The arrowhead plant adds freshness and elegance to any indoor setting. Spider plant, Chlorophytum camosum, is a classic indoor favorite, loved for its long, arching green leaves with white stripes. It grows beautifully in water, especially when its baby plantlets are placed in jars or vases to root. This hardy plant thrives in indirect light and requires minimal care, making it ideal for beginners. Known for its air-purifying qualities, the spider plant helps freshen indoor spaces while adding a graceful, decorative touch. Regularly changing the water keeps the roots healthy and encourages lush growth. With its cascading habit, it looks charming on shelves, desks, or hanging displays indoors. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum wallici, is a graceful indoor plant admired for its glossy green leaves and elegant white blooms. It can adapt well to growing in water, making it a beautiful choice for glass jars or vases where its roots are visible. This plant thrives in low to medium light, which makes it perfect for indoor spaces with limited sunlight. Known for its excellent air-purifying abilities, the peace lily not only adds beauty but also improves indoor air quality. Regularly refreshing the water helps maintain healthy roots and long-lasting growth. Its serene look brings calmness and charm to any room. Chinese evergreen, Aglaonema commutatum, is a hardy and attractive indoor plant, well-suited for growing in water. Its broad, glossy leaves with striking green and silver patterns make it a natural decorative choice for homes and offices. This plant is highly adaptable, tolerating low light conditions and requiring minimal care, which makes it perfect for beginners. When placed in a glass container, its roots grow steadily, provided the water is changed regularly to stay fresh. The Chinese evergreen is also known for its air-purifying qualities, enhancing both beauty and indoor air health while bringing a touch of tropical elegance indoors. English ivy, Hedera helix, is a charming indoor plant valued for its trailing vines and evergreen leaves. It grows well in water, making it ideal for jars or vases where its roots can be displayed elegantly. With its ability to adapt to various light conditions, it thrives best in bright, indirect light for fuller growth. Its cascading habit makes it perfect for decorating shelves, tabletops, or hanging arrangements, adding a classic touch of greenery indoors. Regular water changes keep the roots healthy and vigorous. English ivy not only enhances interiors with its graceful look but also helps improve air quality. Begonia is a stunning indoor plant known for its colorful leaves and delicate beauty. When grown in water, its cuttings develop roots easily, making it perfect for decorative glass jars or vases. The leaves come in a variety of shapes and vibrant shades: green, red, silver, or even pink, adding a touch of elegance to any space. Begonias prefer bright, indirect light and clean, fresh water for healthy growth. Regularly trimming the stems encourages fuller foliage and prevents decay. Whether for its vivid colors or soft textures, begonia brings charm, freshness, and a lively artistic flair to indoor settings.